Hello, welcome to my Sunday From. Today's a special treat. I reached 49 subscribers. So like, comment, share, and subscribe if you like this video. See, this here is a Panettone chocolate chip. It's a Christmas cake. It's one of those traditional types of cakes. And I have some whipped cream, some whipped cream cheese frosting. It says it's easy to spread. It's been refrigerated. I'm not really particular, you know, to make or to cook on my own. But I think I'm gonna open this from the bottom. This is much easier, opening it from the bottom. So here we have the little cake, just like that. And then it comes in like a little package. Peel it off. Just like that. And it has a bottom to it. So if you're using these Panettones, remember they're baked in their little shells. Just tap the bottom, see if it's hard, and peel it off if there is something attached. Mine did have something attached. A giant chocolate. So I'm gonna put it on its side. Generally, I like to cut it down the middle. If you want, you can mark it down the middle and then meet those two markings together. So I'll show you again. Mark it, and then in between just match up that line and kind of saw down and then go over them. So you can do that here too. Mark it, and then meet it down the middle with the knife and keep going all the way around. Now you got the middle part. And so the middle part, you can put like some type of filling in there. If you don't want to, I mean, you can just use frosting or whipped topping with fresh fruit. You can use a pudding, a jam, some type of jelly. You can mix them with whipped cream and jam, or fresh fruit and, you know, jam, or fruit and pudding, whatever you want to do. But you have to make sure to fill it out to the edges to make sure that you're like completely filling it properly in the middle. And so then every slice of the cake would then get some of it. So I mean, you don't have to like go ham like I'm going. You can just do that one side and it's fine. gonna spin it around to make sure it's nice and even, and then smooth it down like that. And then put those two sides together just like that. And you don't really have to do the bottom. And so what I'm gonna do is just put some icing on the top, just like that, like a dollop, right? And it'll kind of slowly warm up to the temperature of the cake and start like kind of melting. So you kind of want to hurry, and if you go too fast, I mean, stick it in the fridge or something, because it needs to be cooled off before you can really ice it without it, you know, just completely messing up the look. Okay, so you see the sides as well. I just go along, put a dollop, and just meet those two sides together. And just smooth it the other side. This is super messy. And then just smooth it out where there's none. Just put more. All the way to the bottom, just like that. Now let's do the other side. As you can see, mine kind of fell, but this is it. This is the whole, this is what it looks like. Let's give it a taste. See that? Super delicious. Ooh, that cream cheese frosting is so good. Last time I got creamy, this tastes just like cream cheese. It's so good. It's like sweetened cream cheese. It tastes like condensed milk and cream cheese. It's so good. Well, I hope you guys give this a try. and like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys again soon on my Sunday front. Bye bye.